When the time slows down and you have a moment to reflect, it's always a good time to think what else you can do to sell art. The logic is simple. The more people see your artworks, there is a bigger chance that they will sell. So, apart from running my own online gallery, I'm always considering selling on other art platforms. And one day, I've got an email from Singulart inviting me to join their artist community and thought, why not? Since I am already familiar with this platform, I will tell you how it works. Setting up an account is quite easy. So let's log in and dive straight into functionalities. If you are considering selling your art on any platform, the most important thing is analytics. You need data to understand what collectors are looking for and whether you are reaching them. So I really like the dashboard that Singulart provides. I can see the total views of my artworks and the countries these viewers came from. But what's even more important is that I can see which artworks they've clicked on and added to their wish lists. This is how I decide what gains traction and am able to offer more art in similar medium and price range. I'm quite new to Singulart, so I don't have a lot of subscribers yet, but I'm glad to see that people are following my profile. And the other thing I really like is that Singulart calculates my visibility score and provides tips on how to enhance it. Now, let me walk you through the artwork upload, which is quite simple and user-friendly. Quality photos are important, so make sure you make good pictures, including detailed ones, before you upload. I am using my old beloved camera, but a phone with good camera also works perfectly. The platform arranges artworks into series, which is very convenient because you can group your art according to size, medium, or creative ideas. So you add a series first, and then you are ready to upload. I'm going to upload a small abstract painting on canvas, and all I have to do is fill out the information, drag photos, and make sure all information, all descriptions are there, and voila, my artwork is live. Once you notice that people are looking at certain art, you can create a discount for this particular piece within a few clicks. But you can also opt into automated Singulart campaigns and let them do the work for you. So you can relax and think about your next creative idea.